The Brumm family crib. Here it is currently disassembled. And in this video, we're going to put it all together. This whole process takes maybe between 12 to 15 minutes, but we're going to speed this up so as not to bore anyone. All right, we'll start with the left side and the back side, and we'll attach them to each other. Then we bring in the cabinet unit, and we'll attach it to the back side in 3 locations. I tend to put 1 screw in each spot for starters, and then I come back and put all the rest of the screws in place. Next is the front frame board, then the drawer support structure, 3 screws both sides, then the mattress support board, just put that in place, then the front rail, the removable rail, and after that, now all the cabinet pieces. And voila, we are done. And now to take a little close up and see what we put together. Obviously, I haven't put the drawers in place yet, but you have a little bit of shelf area, enclosed drawer section. These 2 drawers will come in and out. Mattress support board is adjustable. You can go up, down. We'll probably make another video on that another time. On the back side. And that is the crib, all assembled. May many babies enjoy this.